J'ai l'honneur pour commencer. Bien, qui... Je vois les uns regarder les autres. Bon, d'habitude, vous parlez trop, alors soit vous parlez beaucoup, soit vous ne parlez pas du tout. C'est pas normal. Any comment? I see none, so it means no objection. Paragraph 4, therefore, is adopted. Paragraph 5, no amendment. No comment, adopted. Paragraph 6, amended. Could you please read it out, Mr. Rapporteur?
Yes, Mr. Chairman. Further takes note of the recommendations resulting from the fourth edition of the forum and presented by civil society in information document DC 4417 IGC INV 11 and invites parties to consider implementing the relevant and applicable recommendation of this edition and the previous editions of the forum in accordance with the Convention mentioned points on the contract and or the National Commission for UNESCO, and in accordance